Load up the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this weight. Boy, I ain't having this weight. Good. And like a third nigga, I take. I'm shoving this shit in their face. Then I go put that shit right in their face. They know I'm having my way. I was feeling the song with Dre. It's like an eviction notice when we dropping. Cause niggas get moved out the space. Move. 2.5 was going on 3, but fuck it, cause it's worth the wait. Got to be ignorant, but I want everything that's on the menu and what's on your plate. I tell the guy to give me the fame. I hit the boy if I need me a drink. I got a Richie that sit on my left, but somehow I always be pulling the blade. Ain't been on earth ever since I got that rocket chain and took a trip out of space. Ever since birth, my mama told me that they gon' act cool, but they really hate. I know my word, so you ain't getting no verse if you talking about a little cane. Make them say church, when they see clarity, diamonds and stones in my Jesus face. They gotta run, cause it's not a race. Load up the Drake, what else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this weight. And like the third me go, I take. Okay. Thanks for the gifts, bitch. Just kidding. Love you.
But like I said, I haven't started yet because I don't got a name. I need help.
Oh, he's not lying.
JP's lifestyle.
Okay.
Life with JP.
Okay. I like
hanging with JP.
Hanging with JP.
This is straight out the pack. I didn't bleach or pluck. It smell like fish. This is straight out the pack. I didn't bleach or plug. It smell like fish.
It's like 5 cars, 7 cars.
Okay.
No,
it's not gonna be. It's gonna. I do have cars. It's not gonna be a car channel. It's gonna be like a lifestyle kind of channel. Like everything I do, like anything we do, I'm gonna bring them along.
Okay.
If I go put new rims on my car, I'm gonna take them with me. If I go to the gym or I go to the sauna, I'm gonna bring them with me. If I don't know.
Just like vlogging your daily life.
Yeah, I'm just vlogging.
That's fire.
Alright, is this a curtain bang before I get to trying to see what? Damn, I feel the good shit. Hell no. Wait, and like the third me go out. Take. Okay, we can refresh the curls, but it's thick. I'll give them that. And like the third me go, I take. Shit. I'm so sad, yeah.
So wait, the nice thing, you know, you live by the gun, you gon' die by the gun. Ain't no handouts for nobody when they ain't have. I've been out late night creeping, shot slide on.
No!
Niggas ain't switching, mine on missions, mine on pussy.
Clean is wrong.
Mine on pussy and millions. I'm tryna call a sex symbol to eat my kids up. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems.
Well.
Bring on the problems.
Well.
Bring on the motherfucking problems. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. Hey.
Burn it up and run too
Easier. Life ain't getting any easier.
Flatter.
I know that I'm not in love. She don't know me either. It's just hard to find love.
It should keep on getting deeper.
Keep on.
Oh, I am taking it at it. And I'm wearing purple. We are twins, honey. Purple hair. I'll get one. So we
jealous. I'm like, fuck it, I want me some more. Hit it from the back, she bent up. Playing with the money, get spent up.
Okay, you can get your costume wig.
You the type of girl I pay rent.
Okay. It is gonna be a real wig. This is gonna be costume. Not outside.
I've been out late
you can wear it when we
night,
play dress up.
bitches, posted up with the militia. Niggas ain't switching, mine on missions, mine on pussy and millions, mine on pussy and millions. I'm tryna call it sex.
What am I doing?
Kids,
Should I put it on before?
Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems.
Honey, it's a Lego. You can rebuild it.
More problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking.
See those holes?
Only sign in the game. We the new Nishi and Grange. Bring on the reins.
Damn, baby. She come with that.
You want to pull up on it, and I'm a.
I have arrived.
What the hell?
We're flying.
Girl, shut the.
And the magic? You know we brought it. Yeah, we came to play.
She gonna put that shit. Okay, Michelle. Ooh, night on Daisy.
I can make you overdose, make it over.
If you let me.
Like a river, my water fall break down and lay. You gon' get soft, so bring a raincoat when we finish.
You gon' see a rainbow. You just making love to me like. Yo. Yo. I call your name. Daddy. Daddy. Make me over so.
Wait, what?
Get out my way, business. I just said some crazy shit, kinda. Not really. I still want some more. We taking this one off tomorrow, so I'm gonna just do 3 layers. We gotta be out of here by 1:35.
Summer trips are around the corner. Start here and go anywhere with Hertz. You'll hit the road with fast pickups, easy returns, and a Gold Plus rewards program packed with perks. That weekend trip upstate? Take it. That drive to connect with family and friends? Let's go.
You love it when I call your name.
With over 1,000 Hertz locations worldwide, what are you waiting for? Book your next road trip at Hertz.com.
At Noodles & Company, we know noodles. It's in our name. We've been doing noodles for 30 years.
Not like me, queen.
Everything we know into an entirely new menu.
Not like me.
Hear that? That's the sound of us chopping more fresh ingredients because we know fresh tastes better. That's us sauteing your dish to order because we know fire gives it more flavor. And this is the sound of noodles bringing people together because we know they're the one thing we can all agree on. Explore our new menu with bolder new flavors and new takes on our classics at noodles.com.
I'm gonna go there one day. Noodles.com.
What do you mean? I know I can make you fun. How? What's that?
What?
Oh, na, 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 oh, na, 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 oh.
I can make you fun.
Huh? Good job, mommy. It's okay. Looking good, queen. With this, ooh, you know what to do. You look at me like that.
Tie me up with a blindfold. Give me a mama. Nice skirt. Take his ass on a field trip. You know me, I like to build with it. He gon' feel the difference. I'ma take your pain, I'ma bust down, no prescription. You and me could be you and me, but together shit, that's your decision.
This is from
Cool, ain't it?
This is
Are you
from
teaching me?
Minecraft.
Are you doing all that? I wrote your name in the sand. Baby. You got me joking, so.
What?
Oh, na 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 na. I can make you fall.
All right, am I gonna do a band for an hour or glue? I think I'm doing glue. Get it out the way. EKANE know her fifth abortion. Oh my God, what the fuck? I'm built so bad they think a baby in my guts. Worry about me, you gay niggas better tuck when I come through with it. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, I got somebody else. I got somebody else.
This is shit.
I got some for him.
This is shit.
I got
This is
some
shit on the
for him.
pick.
Get on my rap trying to get in my tea. I just ate that up. I ain't gonna cap. That might be one of the best raps in a long time. That might be one of the best raps in a minute. Just a quick little one hitter quitter. You feel me? Quick little one too. Ooh, is it? It might look a mess, y'all, but just forgive me. Just give me a little minute. Let me perfect my craft. Haven't installed a wig in a while. Guys, don't judge me. Please don't judge me. And I won't judge you. Please don't judge me.
Are you sure that isn't another type of granny? It might be, but I just don't know what it is, dear. No. I'll stay grouchy, Granny.
Not right.
I really should have plucked this on a little bit, but I can pluck it while it's on my head.
How about $2?
I paid $2.
So I can really get it into that natural state that I like. Everybody shut that up, please. Yeah.
I ain't tryna think about it. No. Yeah, I said it, but get up beside it. I want you to homicide it. Going slow it, I want you to cut it. And I think I kinda like it. Up against the wall, we don't need a time. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it back. Yeah, I said it. And fuck the title. Boy, you always like to show. Get a little bit, come a little close now. Take it home on your camera phone. Get a little bit, you watch me blow it down. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it back. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it.
If you really want to be in your hurry bag, it's always going to be that first line of hairs that make it look like that. You can just pluck them out, or you can pull them. It don't matter. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. I don't like all that front layer right here. I like that, you know? I like that vibe. Oh, I might need to pull this up some more. Oh, Lord. I might even put you too far back, honey. You should be good. Hopefully. You should be good.
Now I'm saying what's wrong with you. I remember being in the hall with you. Still think about you. Fuck all the phony shit. Fuck it, I'm stuck on some dolly shit. Had a knife in my back when I wrote this shit. I look back and I laugh when I noticed it. I shoot up in the back with some Kobe shit. They don't know how to pass with some Kobe shit. Should've listened, my mama always told me this. I was only 13 when she told me this. Watch who you fuck with it. Never ever trust a nigga for nothing. Even if you feel like you really love her, don't never tell a bitch that you really love her. Cause that's when she gon' make you feel like you nothing. And that's when you gon' start to feel like you bugging. I wish I would've never told you what's up. And I wish I never even told you for love. Got me saying what's wrong with you. I remember being in the hall with you. Everything was always on the stone with you. Girl, I even bust a couple Jones with you. I still think about you. Girl, I still think about you. Said you always gon' be there for me. Now you gone and you disappeared on me. Can't believe I really thought you cared for me. You was supposed to be the one scared with me. I still think about you. Girl, I still think about you. I hope that I never see you again. I don't wanna put up with it. I don't wanna fuck with it. I'ma just send you this letter whenever I'm done with it. I know you gon' read it. I called you a bitch at the end. I don't know if I mean it. I ain't wanna believe what my niggas was telling me. My nigga, I should've cheated. And now I feel stupid. I should've knew better than this. Wasn't the right way to do it. I should've been choosing the money instead of a bitch. Fuck it, cause I'm getting to it. Just watch how I
What wig is this?
knew I was ready for this. Bitch, I'ma focus on music. You love how I do it. I knew I was ready for this. Got me saying what's wrong with you. I remember being in the hall with you. Everything was always on the stone with you. Girl, I even bust a couple Jones with you. I still think about you. Girl, I still think about you. Said you always gon' be there for me. Now you gone and you disappeared on me. Can't believe I really thought you cared for me. You was supposed to be the one scared with me. I still think about you. Girl, I still think about you. All I can say is you dumb hoe. You got me feeling stupid. You got me singing all these dog songs. What the fuck am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going off though. I just hope I don't lose it. Bitches picking and choosing, but I know it's soft though. I already been through it. We could have been ballin' together. Hit up the motors, whatever. You know that I started for nothing. Them bitches was fed up. The way you made all of them jealous. You said that you was gon' ride forever and ever. You told me forever and ever. I should've knew you was lying. I should've knew better. You lied. I should've knew better. But still I'm saying what's wrong with you. I remember being in the hall with you. Everything was always on the stone with you. Girl, I even bust a couple jokes with you. I still think about you. Girl, I still think about you. Said you always gonna be there for me. Now you gone and you just disappeared on me. Can't believe I really thought you cared for me. You was supposed to be the one scared with me. I still think about you. Girl, I still think about you. I'm saying what's wrong with you. I remember being in hall with you. Everything was always on the stall with you. Even bust a couple jokes with you. I still think of. Still think about you, yeah. I still think about you. Had a knife in my back when I wrote this shit. I look back and I die when I noticed it. I look back and I die when I noticed it. I look back and I die when I noticed it. I look back and I laugh when I noticed it. I still think about you. I still think about you. I still think about you.
We're gonna eat that down boots, honey. Alright, let's get to this doctor's appointment.
Ready to order?
Yes. We're earning unlimited 3% cash back on dining and entertainment with the Capital One Saver card. So